power.
Tighten up your positioning, super tight.
Open up your browser and do a job search pick your state, do a job search across North Dakota for wind energy technicians. Oklahoma, Texas, Kansas, Iowa, Minnesota, and it's an endless amount of jobs in energy, and they pay really well.
In fact, wind and solar technicians are the number 1 and 3 fastest growing occupations in the U.S. A wind tech makes a median salary of about $53,000 a year. And according to a new study by the nonprofit Rewiring America, the future of job creation looks dramatically brighter, but only if we aggressively slash our dependence on fossil fuels and instead let nature go to work,